There once was a boy, he's now a man, but his name was Joshua with the shiny head. And he, at the time, didn't know exactly what he wanted to do, but he knew that he wanted to help people. And yes, it's very cliche, but I think there's like beauty in cliches and stuff of the world. So, yeah. So I just put the picture of him up right here. And then boom, I'm remotivated. Bruh. What is it?
Dear basketball.
We have class all day today. Let's go learn. All right. I finally got a chance to talk. It has been a week. I am ready. I was gonna say tired, but I'm not really tired. I studying from like 8 in the morning to like before bed, 8:30, 12 hours a day is a lot. And I know it's not studying for those 12 hours, but for the most part it is. I know there's like talking and labs and classes and stuff like that. It's exhausting. So, but I'm not tired. I had a nitro cold brew from this company that I ordered from on Amazon. Rushed to school, got to lab for 8 o'clock. And yeah, I changed a few things up. Not really. My monitor was in the corner, but now my monitor is in the center. And I think that gives me more of a different point of view. I also learned how to do clamshell mode. I would always plug it in and my laptop would shut off, but I realized you just have to make sure that your laptop is plugged in for the clamshell mode to continue. So we are good. Gonna study. I have to actually send some emails in the next 10 minutes. I have some reviews at the end of the day. I'm starting to realize and learn that at the end of the day, I'm tired regardless. But if I can do just practice questions on notebook at the end of the day, then at least I'm still filling in my brain a bit and using it. Yesterday, I was supposed to go through 3 sets of practice problems. I only went through 1. It took a lot of energy out of me, but I got through it. So yeah, that's the plan. Reviews at the end of the day, learn during the day, be intentional with learning, and praise God. So yeah, I'm gonna tie this do-rag. Oh, the UPS just got here, and I think that's my box from my mom. We go over, we go back, we go down, and then not too tight, but we'll just do a little pull down and tug. Voila, that's it. It's not even that hard. I mean,